Okay, if you want to learn how to edit some photo, you can buy this software. Okay, editor software. So first you touch the sample, and then you can find other you like. You want to find the hot one, or thank you giving, or love, holiday, New Year, winter, landscape, new, coming, sketch, near, MG, cartoon, drip, wing, peep, profile, birthday, double export, vaporwave, magazine, magic, funny, Christmas, Mother's Day, spring, Hollywood, only one. Okay, so we have a lot of temple here. If you what you want, actually what you like according to your photo. Okay, you can edit with this one, this type of edit. So today I show you one. Maybe I will find the funny one. Okay, funny one, funny pictures. Okay, funny pictures. I want to have a very funny. This is in the, if you like the nature, you can use this one. So I use the nature one because I have a lot of nature photo here. The nature photo is, so I like this one. So let's see this one, nature one. So do you see it? So I have a nature photo is real one. Is then original is similar to this one. So I use this one. And then I need to make them a little bit more clear. Okay, make more clear. A little bit clear. Which one you like, you can do it this one. Okay, I like this one. That is too bright. Maybe this one better. That depend on your photo. Okay, depend on your photo. This one also bright. This one brighter. This is the original. So you can find it when you edit it. Okay. Then the nature shutter story bright. Then if you want to have another decoration, you can do another here. You can find neos. Okay, this neos, but it depends which one you want. You want put MG or you put another background is okay. Funny one, line one, sig one, symbol. So depend on you what you want, but this for me for today is enough. Okay, and now I won't put another one now in my case. Okay, because I don't need this one because already okay. Now I want to find another one for, I save this one first. Okay, after that I don't save directly. Now I need to put another thing. I want to put the you can select also for the sticker. I want to write. Okay, jungle. Okay, jungle. I want to write the jungle, so I want to put the biggest one, a little bit jungle. Okay, so now it's right. Finish one, and you also can save this one. I don't save now. I want to put another sticker, so you can find sticker here as you like. Okay, the sticker here. This is step by step how to edit your photo. If you want to edit according you like it, here you can have ABC jungle. Okay, ABC jungle, ABC. Okay, I write ABC jungle, ABC jungle. I put a little bit smaller, ABC jungle. This written a little bit. Okay, ABC jungle. Let's see whether it's okay or not. ABC jungle, can put a little bit up. Okay, then it's like that. ABC jungle, ABC jungle. Okay, so or you put here ABC jungle. Okay, that is better. ABC jungle. Okay, that's alright. This is the photo now. This after you edit, the photo is become like this, different than original. Okay, but it's not really very different, because only the different is background, and you put some other object to make them decoration better. Okay, now it's finished one already. So this is step by step how you edit your photo, can decorate better. Okay, thank you for now. I save. Okay, so after I save it and then already finished, if you want to make another, you can do another one. You can return back here, and then already, because that already saved. So this is my photo, so many photo already I have. This just I did it, so this I did yesterday. Okay, different. You see, we can have a lot of editing photo. This one, this I keep it nature, because I want to their nature, so I don't change a lot this one. Okay, maybe I will, let me see now. I will change now. I will return first here, and then I will find the temple. So I find another one, landscape. So landscape is, but I don't want this my photo not so nature. So I tried find the better. Let me see if it's sweet with this one. It's sweet with this one. So otherwise, too not nature. Okay, this one okay. Alright. So let's. They tell to me to sit down in this place. Okay, let's sit down here. Okay, now it's better one. I have one another. If you want to put the letter, you have to send okay first here, and then after that you can find the okay. Please take rest. Okay, please take rest here. They tell us to take a rest. Okay, take rest here. The written is not very clear, right? Please take rest here. If you think it's not very clear, and then you can change. Sorry. So you can change it this letter. Another color. You can change the color. You can change the color, but not very. Maybe black, no. Need to be not very contrast with them. Maybe this one. This it maybe better. This take rest. Put here now. A little bigger. Take rest here, but not yet good. So let's change the color again. Okay, change the color red, white. Maybe white is better, maybe, but not very clear. Can change another one. Okay, maybe take this one. Not very clear. Let's change another one, blue one. Okay, they have no contrast. Another contrast. Okay, take rest here. But if do like this, the back view will be blocking, so that's not need. Okay, the view is blocking, so don't need. Okay, just like that. Please take rest. Okay, now we finish 2 photo already. Or you want to have a sticker, you can keep a sticker, but for me now no need now. Okay, so or other things, stickers, a lot of different sticker you can find here. Okay, you can find a lot of sticker here. Okay, so for now I just here first. Okay, thank you.